this wig is 100% glueless. I haven't used anything, no hair glue, no hairspray, no gel, no hair mousse. Wig from Myfirstwig, and as you guys can see, it comes pre-plucked and it comes pre-bleached. This is a 13x6 lace front wig. So the first thing you want to do for a glueless install is to clip the adjustable straps at the back of the wig together like so, and then you're gonna go ahead and also clip the elastic band together, and I always put mine on the last hook just because I have a small head anyway. So this is a medium size cap, so it fits me with adjusting the elastic band and the adjustable straps, but without this the wig would definitely be too big for me. Okay, so I've got the wig on now, and this is what the hairline looks like. So like I said, the wig came pre-plucked and it came pre-bleached as well, so I really don't need to do anything aside from just install this wig. Definitely perfect if you're a beginner, perfect if you're new to wearing wigs. So this is the highlight dark brown wig, and it comes with no baby hairs and it comes with a clean hairline. So now I'm going to go ahead and install the wig. So as you guys can see, this is a 13x6 lace front wig, so which means there's a lot of parting space in the midsection. Parting goes all the way down, and I prefer to work with 13x6 lace front wigs because I feel like, because this part of the wig is all lace, that way you're able to get a really flat install. There's no tracks here. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and extend the middle part that comes with the wig. I'm gonna apply some wax stick, and then I'm gonna go in with my Honey Locks hot comb. And you can see the difference from this side compared to this side. So this is definitely why you need a hot comb, okay? This is like an essential when it comes to installing your wigs. So I'm going to do the same to this side. And you can definitely do other hairstyles with this wig. You can even do a half up, half down hairstyle, or you can go for a side part. It doesn't have to be a middle part, you know. If you end up getting this hot comb, just know that it gets really hot, but one thing I'll tell you, it will definitely get your wig to lay really flat. This clean hairline looks so good. The hairline looks so good, like it looks really clean. And the plucking on this wig as well, perfection. This looks really good. So now I'm gonna go ahead and cut the excess lace. actually take a minute to take in this hairline and how amazing this looks. The lace is everything. And bearing in mind, I've not used anything. I was actually going to go in and use my hair mousse to melt the lace in, but guys, I don't even need to. So I did apply my foundation on the lace before I started installing the wig. But guys, this lace is everything. My first wig, yeah, this wig is everything. And the only thing is this side, I kind of ripped the lace a little bit, so yeah, the lace is very thin and it's very fragile, so I would say you have to be super careful when you're working with this wig from Myfirstwig. I love the lace, it's definitely giving HD. So now I'm gonna go ahead and straighten the wig. I'm so impressed with the hairline, the bleaching, the plucking, everything is just, yeah. So to straighten my hair, I'm going to use my Honey Lux hair straighteners. These straighteners get really hot, so I don't have to sit here straightening my hair track by track. I just need to, I can literally straighten this hair in chunks. And my hair would definitely come out sleek and very much going straight. Okay, so this is the finished look and I'm so in love with how sleek this wig looks. I feel like this wig is definitely giving boss babe. It's giving I tried without trying. The hair is so sleek. So this is the highlights dark brown wig and I have the silky hair texture, but you also have the option of going for the Yaki straight. It's a glueless invisible lace front wig and I have a 20-inch. So this is where the 20-inch is up to me. You guys can see the ends. And it's a 13 by 6, 160 density. I'm really happy with this density. Yes, it's 160, but this looks good. I feel like this is giving clean girl aesthetics. I love how sleek the hair is, and this is the Malaysian straight hair. Like I said, it's a 13 by 6. Guys, I'm really impressed with this wig. I really love the wig, the hairline, the plucking, the bleaching, everything literally is on point. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. I'll make sure to list all the links that you guys need in the description box. You guys know Black Friday is coming up, so every single one of their wigs, their products line will be upgraded. So this is definitely a chance for you to get a wig from Myfirstwig. Honestly, the lace is everything, the hairline, the plucking, the bleaching, everything. And all their 13 by 4 lace front wigs will be upgraded to 13 by 6. So instead of you getting a 13 by 4 lace front wig, it will be upgraded to a 13 by 6, which is what I've got on now. And this is exactly what I was trying to tell you. When you have a 13 by 6 or a 6 by 6 lace front wig, your wig will definitely lay as flat as possible because there's no tracks around here, it's just lace, so you know it's able to lay as flat as possible. I really like this wig, and I really like the highlights as well. So yeah, you guys let me know what you think in the comment section below. I'll make sure to list all the links that you guys need in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Oh, and I think I forgot to mention to you guys, this wig is 100% glueless. I haven't used anything, no hair glue, no hairspray, no gel, no hair mousse. Okay, this is 100%, like I've not applied anything to the lace. This is exactly how the lace looks, and this is how it came straight out of the box. The only thing I had to do was to apply some foundation to help the lace match my skin tone. And guys, let's get into this plucking. Okay, I'm liking the widow's peak. Everything is literally on point. Like my first wig, I feel like this might be my first wig from them that I'm like 10 out of 10 or 100 out of 10. Like this is on point. Okay,